Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Danny Austin for anybody that is new, and I film videos about fashion, lifestyle, beauty, all the things. I get a ton of questions about Fabletics, about my workout outfits. You know, is it worth it? What's the sizing like? Is the quality worth it? And so I just felt like it was time to finally film this video. I'm gonna be doing some honest reviews and sharing with you guys what I love. And yes, I work with Fabletics because I am a Fabletics ambassador this year, which I was really pumped about because my old roommate before I got married, Janine, was a Fabletics ambassador for a year.
Hey y'all, it's Janine Amapola and welcome back to my YouTube channel.
We used to do these like workout videos together and workout classes together whenever she used to live in Dallas, and I was always so obsessed with her outfits. And so I remember being like, girl, can you hook us up? Like, I love Fabletics. And so it's like a dream of mine to finally work with them this year, and I'm just pumped to do an honest review and share with you guys everything that I love. So the first couple of outfits I show you are part of their Cyber Month sale. So they have this like massive sale going on November 21st through December 5th, and things are like 70% off, so I will make sure to like let you guys know what's on sale. And then the next three outfits I show you are just outfits that I love that I got in November, and specifically these puffer jackets that I get so many questions about. They are like the best puffer jackets ever. So I will make sure to put the link for my like landing page down below if you guys are interested in checking anything out. So yeah, I guess we can get started. Okay, why don't I start with the things that are on sale? That way we can get them knocked out. I know a lot of people are gonna be like, but tell us what's gonna be on sale. So actually what I'm wearing, everything I'm wearing is going to be a part of the sale, but I have it in other colors. So I will like hold up the other colors and show you guys. So I want to start with the sports bra and the leggings, and then I will show you the long sleeve top. Okay, so the sports bra is, I'm very picky when it comes to my sports bras. I do not like whenever they cut into my armpits. Oh, it's like one of my pet peeves. I started like chafing this year for the first time, like around, like I had some really bad sports bras and I was like, ow, this is terrible. So I'm very picky with sports bras. This one is great. It has this like mesh detail around the neck, does not cut into my armpits. It also has padding, which I like because sometimes things get a little nippy, no pun intended. As for the leggings that I have on, these are them in black, and I have them in burgundy as well. That's what I'm wearing, and like they're just really cute. I mean, the mesh like details around the thighs and around like the calves are just, I think they're just adorable. What I also like is I like when things are like compressed, but not to where like I feel like I can't move around and like I can't do this when I want. But no, I just like these because of how like lightweight and breathable and moisture wicking they are. They're just like a great pair of comfy leggings. So they do come in multiple colors. And then as for the long sleeve top that I referred to earlier, first of all, just this color, it's just so cute. This is like, pink is my favorite color. I just love it. And what I like about this is I'm always looking for long sleeve tops that I can wear underneath like vests, or I can wear it to work out, but I don't get too hot. And this one just is so like, it fits really tight, but it's comfortable still. And I think it's just because of like all that like mesh detail that we have throughout it. It's just really cute. So I have this in pink and in black. So those are all of the things that will be a part of the sale that I personally have. So I will make sure to put like the landing page so y'all can check anything out for like the Cyber Month sale. And then I'm gonna show you guys some of my other favorite pieces that I'm obsessed with. We have to start with the infamous puffer jacket because I have this in white and black, and oh my gosh, I got so many questions about it whenever I posted on my Instagram. Yes, it is so comfortable. It keeps you warm. It has pockets. I like that it's kind of a crop fit with leggings because it's just like really flattering. You can still kind of see like your body without like just like all this fabric. So it comes in white and then also like a shiny black material, which is one of my favorites. It's just like, oh, I love it. And I've washed it a couple of times and it's like held up really, really well. Let me show you my like holy grail go-to leggings. I think they're called the Trinity leggings. I hope I have it right. I'm not very good with like the names of everything, but these are my favorite. So these leggings have a pocket in the front where I can put like my ID or my card key whenever I'm running. That is like always, I have to have that. And then they also have pockets on the sides, these mesh pockets where you can put you can have more storage. And then they have like this mesh detail all the way down to the calf, which is also really great because they're just breathable. These definitely like, they have compression to them, but like I said with these, they are really comfortable. They're not like too like sucking you into where like you can't breathe. These are just like a great pair of like go-to leggings. So I have these in multiple colors. Okay, so I mentioned earlier I was looking for like long sleeve workout tops. I love this one. The ruching on the sleeves is just really cute, and then it's cool because it gets like has this like tighter portion around your wrist where you can put your thumb in there. And I don't know if you've ever like been outside and like been working out outside, or like it just helps a lot whenever you have that fabric around your wrist. Otherwise all the air just goes whoo, and like it gets really cold. So I love wearing this with a pair of leggings. It has like these little slits on the side too, which just make it really flattering and cute. Plus this color is so pretty. I love this color. Okay, as for this hot pink set, I had so many people rave, like I was watching girls like doing try on hauls on Instagram, and so many girls were raving about this sports bra, and I really do love it. It has cute little details on the back, and it also has padding. And then for the matching leggings, I believe these are also part of the Trinity leggings. I might be wrong, but they do have like the pocket in the front. I mean, they fit very similar, that's why I was saying that. And then they have pockets on the sides. And then my favorite thing about them is actually like the reflective details that you get, because now that it is daylight savings, it gets dark so early. So if you're outside, you know, working out, it's nice to have like a little reflection so people can see you. Safety first. Okay, I want to get into some of the more like athleisure pieces that I just lounge around in, or I wear just like on a daily basis. Since I work from home, I get to wear a lot of athleisure. And one of my favorite things to wear are jogger pants. I also wear joggers like almost every time I go to the airport because they're cute. You can like wear like a denim jacket with them, but still feel like you can wear like a workout outfit to the airport. So these are really cute. They get tighter at the ankle. They have a drawstring so you can make them as tight as you want. Very stretchy, like a soft material. And then they also have pockets. I like to wear crop tops or like anything tucked into joggers so that I don't look like so frumpy. And this one's just like one of my favorites from Fabletics. The print is really cute. It's like this herringbone print. It matches with the joggers. That's like my main thing. I also feel like I could wear this like with a pair of jeans. It's just so cute. It's very like breathable, stretchy, soft material. Okay, I was reading online about like some of Kate Hudson's favorite Fabletic pieces, since she's like part owner of Fabletics, and this was one of the pieces that I saw her photographed in, and I was like, yes, I have to have it. It is so comfy and soft. It's like this Sherpa material, but it is just this Sherpa material on the outside. So on the inside, it's like very soft still and very comfortable, but just so you guys know, because I get a lot of questions about that, like, is the same material on the inside as it is on the outside? But honestly, I feel like if it was, you would get like really hot, because this is like super warm. So no, I love this little pullover. And then it also has little side pockets. And then the last thing I wanted to share with you guys is more of like something you could probably wear, you know, going to bed or lounging around the house. It was just so different, and I hadn't seen Fabletics do something like this, so I was really excited about it. It's this little set, this like hot pink velvet shorts that has gold threading throughout the waist, like the tie, which is just really adorable, and has like these scallop details around the thighs. And then comes with this bralette, which was also adorable. Like I was like, are you serious? Is this really Fabletics? Like, it's so cute. And so I wanted to show that to y'all. And then this was very soft and very cozy. It's this cardigan that I layered over it. Has like a waist around the tie, or has a tie around the waist and a hoodie. And it's just like really, really soft. It's very like cooling, I feel like. Even though it's like a very soft material on the inside, I feel like it's not something that will like make you really hot, so you can just wear it all the time. So this was like one of my favorite cardigans from their November collection. So I think those are like all of my favorite things that I got. Yeah, I hope this review kind of helped a little bit for anybody that's interested. Thank you so much to Fabletics for partnering with me for the year. It's like one of my favorite partnerships that I have, and so it's been like such a pleasure. I'll make sure to put all the links and details and sizing down below for you guys if you want to check that out. And yeah, I hope that you guys have a great rest of your day. Let me know if you want to see any other videos like this. They're really fun and easy for me to film. So yeah, I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.